Once you have entered all your student, sponsor, and guest information, you are ready to register for a convention. To do this, click on Manage Convention Registrations at the bottom of almost any page within the program. Click on the drop-down menu of available conventions and select the convention you desire. Once you make sure it is the correct date, click on Select. Some conventions may require a payment in order to register your school. The program accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Once in the convention, you must add the individual students, sponsors, and guests that will be attending. To do this, click on the Add button below the Persons box. You will then see the list of individuals in your database. Select a person and click Add. You will see their name appear in the box in the background. Continue doing this until all your students, sponsors, and guests have been added to the convention, and then click Finished. If you make a mistake, or if someone cannot attend the convention, simply select the name of the person, click Remove, and confirm you wish to remove them. Remember, one sponsor is required for every 8 students of the same gender. You can confirm the people registered by reviewing and printing the person list, located to the right of the Persons box. If you are attending a convention within the US, you might have the option of making payments through the program. At the top of the page, you will see the financial details of your school. If you click on the amount of the school balance, you will see the breakdown of fees, payments, and the remaining balance. To make a payment, enter the total amount you would like to pay in the box right below the school balance. Refresh this page for the Pay by Credit Card option. Click on Pay by Credit Card, confirm the amount to be paid, click Pay Now, and fill out all the required information on the pages to follow. Make sure to save a copy of your receipt for future reference. You have successfully registered your school for a convention. The only thing left is student entries.